G-code step, G-code step, left, right. Okay. So, buddy, we need to. Okay, so there's half of my body wants to. Dude, screw this. I'm just gonna nuke all of this. Okay. Delete all of it. So everything we did yesterday, I put it on GitHub, so it shouldn't matter. We just need to re-export the files again. I am gonna keep this though. So just for everyone to remember, what we're working on is this paper. Oh, I have the PDF somewhere, but oh wait, I think I have the PDF in the repo. Do I? Well, not anymore. And it's basically has this genius insight where you take your step file, you run it through a slicer, and you get G-code, and then you run that. You take the movements in the G-code, and you sweep that profile. So let's just go to CAD.onShape. And then this is what we wanted to look at. But I actually want to just take one part, export. Okay, so this is going to be single ring. Okay, so we're just going to do test step files. So these are just going to be a bunch of test files. So now we want to take this and this and this. Can you? I don't know. Let's just roll it back to here. And I'm pretty sure now if I export this, this is 2 rings. And wait, did it save as test step, save as? Okay, and then now we can roll it forward. And we want to export this, which is 2. Wait, let's just do this actually. Square ring. Okay, now that we have a couple of step files to test, what we're doing is we are let's just make this Python Julia. So this is going to be okay, we're just going to do Julia because Julia is so much easier to just write something simple. I don't like Python. I did yesterday. I did a project for the fam, and I couldn't stream it unfortunately because there was a bunch of data that just can't be shown, and it'd be too hard to not leak it. But damn, dude, I was going in on the coding, bro. I didn't like at first. I was just trying to get GPT to write it, and I was like, let's just let it do it. But then I was running into all these. I was just so sick of so I'm just like, you know what? Let's just lock in and do it ourselves. And bro, it's good to see that I still have it. Okay, so we really got to get this copilot. Dude, there's so many little things that I have to do that I keep forgetting about. How to do this in Julia. All right, can we just try this? Except for... So we just need to... It's gonna do something cool. Okay, so or actually, should we do it like? Maybe we should do it actually at a so tests. Then we do like in tests. We make a folder called 2rings, and then you put this in here, and then you put then you delete this, then you make a folder in here. Single ring. Um, um, okay, so let's just do this for now. Project structure is tests. Dude, why am I overdoing this? I'm being cringe. Okay, but I do want, but this is fine. This as is fine, but if I kept going down this road, it's just gonna be cringe. So then, test name. Then, in this has a slash um. Okay, so let's see this. Execute output dir slash debug slash file. Okay, so let's just put that in. We need this to be and this is going to be or let's just do 2rings. Oh wait, but it has to create it first, right? Okay, then we make this nice. Perfect. And then we get gcode. Okay, so that's just a little thing about how you use the bamboo slicer in from the command line, and then it just happens to be a detail that I'm doing in Julia. But so now the next thing is parsing the G-code. Okay, so now Okay, so now, all right, so there we go. So now what we want to do is filter starts with, oops. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, great. Wait, can you OR functions together like this? No, you have to use a lambda, but it's fine. Starts with takes. Do you do double ORs? Like, yeah, I think you do. Or, wait, what? Wait. Oh. Wait, what the hell is going on? Okay, I don't care. Wait, actually, why doesn't that work? Okay, great. So now what we want to do is take map x to first of split x. Wait, hold on. Okay. First circ split. Wait, we don't even need to do this. Oh. What? Oh, yeah. Dude, wait, why don't I just put this in my startup? It's so annoying. Wait, what? I think you have to do this. Okay, great. Okay, so G1 is the most common. What's an M73? Marlin gcode. This is what I look for. And I just go to M73. Oh yeah, of course, right, it does that. Is there a 1arg map function? Wait. Does it? What associativity does it have? Wait, GF1 to split. Okay. Wait, can I just say map x equals x or y to map? Is that a thing? So wait, so can I do this now? That's so sick, dude. Why isn't 1arg map a thing? 1arg map is so useful, man. I'm gonna put that in, bro. I bet I invalidate literally everything on the planet, but I gotta do it. That shit is sick. Bro, I forgot how absolutely. I mean, I don't want to brag, but like low key, I'm kind of cooked at this shit. I love that, dude. I love Julia for this, like simple shit like that. But like the thing about Julia that's so much better than Mathematica, the Mathematica is fucking slow, dude. If I tried to do this million row parsing and data, it just like it just crashes because there's too many expressions and symbols. Like, oh god, in theory, Mathematica is just perfect, but then you gotta just rewrite everything fast, and it's like whatever. So okay, so we have this, and now we want to just isn't there just a or not callable? Yeah, so this is where you just do map print line. And you actually want to do this too. That's perfect. Okay. All right, so let's just read through all of them. Okay, so 106 fan speed, 204 acceleration, 28. See, that's a G code. What's 28? Goes home. 104 hot end. And then these are all ones, but I want to see what the G codes are. Okay, let's just do them all. 205. 205 is set advanced setting. That's great. That's the thing about this G code stuff. It just makes no freaking sense, bro. What? See, and you just hope to God that I don't know. Does Bamboo use Marlin? No, but Slicer. But do they at least agree that all the G code things mean the same thing? That's what I don't understand. Like, if I were to run my own G code, try to write my own G code for my printer, like, all this, whatever. I don't care. Okay. Which ones do we do? 109. Wait for hot end temperature. All right. Isn't there another G? G21. Units. M84. Dude, I'll never remember these. There's no M84. That's exactly what I'm talking about, though. Bamboo M84. Optional break. Ugh. 190. Wait for bed temperature. And G90. G90 is what? Absolute units or something? I know that one. My class went over that one. Absolute. Okay, so that's all of the G codes in this one. So that's great. Now we want to okay, so now all we need to do is take all of the G1s. So I'm not gonna write all that out. Filter starts with G1. Okay, so yeah, this is the 700 of these ones. So how do we want to do this? let's just write all of these to right lines. Is that not a thing, dude? Right lines fn vec equals oh my god. Write this function that basically takes a file name and a vec of strings and just writes it to a file. Dude, it's always so verbose. That's probably the best way to do it. Wait, what's wrong? Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I have this extension that helps me read these. So this retracts it. This goes somewhere. I don't know what Z5 goes to Z5, and then it just starts off with the feed rate. Okay, and then it just does like an approach or something. I don't know why I would do this. Yeah, so, okay, so. Right, okay. Write a function that takes all these G codes and basically makes a vec of a struct that contains basically the state of the, and you can assume that G90 has been called, so it's in absolute mode. And then also stores what, yeah, it just stores this data. Dude, it writes it like, it's kind of sad, but compare my freaking Julia code, well, except for this is nasty, but like, you just do clean shit, and then this is just like, so insane. But I don't actually care. Okay, so, okay, so, okay, wait. Is this right though? Because for like the E flag, isn't, if the extruder happens, it only does it once. It doesn't keep doing that. So it doesn't persist. So shouldn't it actually go back to 0 after the? It should not remember the last, or. Let's see, I feel like it knows what I'm talking about. Oh wait, but that's its actual position? Oh, that's weird to think about. Is that true though? Because can we look for all the E's? See, that's what's weird, right? Is like, Okay, can we just go to a G1 in Marlin? APOS, BPOS, EPOS. See, that's because that one feels like relative. I'm confused because X and Y look like absolute values, but E looks like a relative value. Where is it set that E is? However, in many 3D printing firmwares, there's an exception where G in the okay, so we can just assume that the extruder is in relative mode by default because it just doesn't add up. At the end, these would be summing up. Otherwise, it's just moving back and forth. So sometimes I get a little bugged out that I'm confused, but then I remember, no, these things aren't that complicated. It's definitely doing that. So, okay, so yeah, so can we, interestingly that it's interesting it modulates the feed rate. Wait, what is the feed rate? Oh yeah, dude. For some reason, this is so funny. For some reason, whenever I see feed rate, all I can think of is like feeding the extruder. But feed rate is just the speed, just the overall speed. Movement rate. Yeah, it makes total sense that so feed rate. I think I went over this yesterday. I just totally blanked out on it again because it's so for some reason feed. I feel like I'm feeding something, and I just clues my brain in wrong. Okay, so great. So there was literally when we tallied this up. Oh wait. Oh wait. I forgot what all of these are, but I remember this is progress 73. But yeah, it seems like literally it's just a very simple program. It's so funny, dude, because okay, like whatever. All right, so I think we're good, right? Okay. Write a function that splits the G codes into basically, what is it? A vec of positions or something. Basically, I want within a single layer of a print, you have a bunch of paths that are potentially disconnected, where the printer is extruding material. And so we want, for each layer, we want all of the paths. I feel like that should be kind of clear. Wait, hold on. Let's see. You can, with extrusion. Yep, perfect. It does it exactly how I wanted it to, and that's all good. So now we can just take this, split paths. I don't know if we actually need that. Okay, split paths. Wait, what does this take? Yeah, okay. Split paths of G's. Now that's interesting. Oh wait, no, these are. Wait, so yeah, if we do P's 1, 1, right? It's one command. Oh, and that's the first one. That's where. That's when it does that little. Oh yeah, could we see that actually? Because that's got to be in there, right? Like, is this moving across? Maybe that thing is not. I feel like there's no way that's true though. Wait, this is the G's. We want this. So I'm trying to find out where it where does it do that little thing? But wait, it just stores the strings? I guess group wasn't the right word. Instead, we just want to get the XY from this. Oh, we need to store some state, and then we just want to get the XY from all that. So we, presumably you start off at 0. It actually doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You can just assume it, yeah. So then it goes to 8492. I guess what state do you actually need to remember? You don't need to remember that you're... Yeah, you just say, if I'm the first guy in the list, I mean, this is all we really need, right? So what is the first thing going to look like? The first profile that we're going to sweep in FreeCAD is this. And so, whatever, I'm just going to write, actually, I don't. Write the shortest possible Julia. I can't do this. Write the shortest possible, simplest Julia code that that instead of that takes a path and it extracts the XY coordinate. Wait, do all of these start with XY? Okay. Write something to check that every... Oh, wait, but I know that's not true. Let's go to G's. This one. Unless it's a feed rate thing. I don't know why they don't just put the feed rate... No, I guess it makes sense to put it in a different block. And then their compiler probably just notices that if it's... I don't know. I don't know how it's outputting it or whatever. Okay, so... Okay, whatever. Just... Okay, that's good. Let's just do that. Okay. I don't really care. Now we have the... So this is for a single path, right? What did I give it? PS2. So is it a vec of vec or... Okay, so... I don't think this is right, because... Okay, let's look at this thing again. So what does it need to be? So what is the first path? You don't want to assume that... How do you know when it changes layers, is I guess the question. Wait, let's just look for Z then. Here it is. So I'm wondering what you could do, because you kind of have to know that this, like, layer, you have to kind of have to know that this is layer 2. Can we go to the... This is going to be square ring. I think that's oh, wait, we need to wait, what am I looking for? I'm looking for that the Z's are literally always that. They have to be, but let's just make sure. I don't want to overwrite all this stuff. Okay, that's good. So we just need to make this okay. We can take this to the top. Okay, let's just write that to GG's. Wait, we can call this G's square. Okay, so Z. 2, 4, wait, what? Did I... What? I think I messed up something. Oh yeah, dude, I'm dumb as hell. Okay. Wait, it didn't do it. Why didn't it do it? Wait, oh. So easy to get that wrong. I need to just fix that. So... We just want all of these. And I don't really care about the tally. Oh wait, we can just take the tally out. Oh wait, we still didn't do this right. Okay, this is so stupid, man. I'm dumb. Alright, so we're just gonna do... What is it called? Okay, so this only had 375. Wait. GF. Oh yeah, wait. What is GG? I think this is just G, the string. What am I doing, bro? So this is just gonna be... I don't know what the hell I'm up to, bro. This is such a waste of my time, dude. Okay. Okay, but this just needs to be the G's. Oh, wait. Right, these are the G ones. And this needs to be G's. Okay. So this should be right now. Z, that took way too long, bro. So slow. 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1. Okay, so we could just assume that they're always divisible. Is there a divides function? So how do you do it? The bar. Oh, what? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, hold on. Let me get another LaCroix. You know what I'm gonna try to do? I want to just say, this is my startup. When writing Julia code, write it in my style. No. No. I feel like you can correct it. So now, okay, we can just move on. So I don't know what this does. Split pass. All right, yeah, so. Wait, what does this do? Why is this so long? Let me just write. I need a paper. Okay. You keep track of your current layer. And you keep track of. You don't need to keep track of X, Y. And you don't need to keep track of. So literally all you need to keep track of is Z. So as you're going through this, you're saying, okay, I start at layer 0. Okay, then I go to layer 2. Then 1. And then this. So it's. What I want to know is like. In this example, or in G-code in general, does the E fully finish before it moves on? Or like, when the line contains both movement, yeah. Okay, so all we need are the lines, really. And then we just need to know when the interrupt happens. And the interrupt happens if there's a G1 with XY, but no E. So this splits the path. Dude, someone did this. Hot on the outside today. Yep. Okay, in my style of writing Julia, write a function that makes sure that movements in Z and movements in X and Y are mutually exclusive, and then test it. Dude, what the hell? Dude, no, that's not. No, make that like way short. You clearly didn't get my style. Go simple, dude. This is insane. How many lines and comments, and don't even type it. I would type it. It should just be okay, it should work. Oh shit. What's up, bro? Oh my god. Okay. Isn't there a thing for that? Okay. Check moves. Wait, what happened? Oh yeah. Wait, actually we don't need that. Wait, in startup don't we need to do... Wait, don't I just have to do this? Let's kill Julia. Map, map. Wait. Oh wait, I think that was in my startup. Dude, coding is so slow. I should check out some of these AI code editors, dude. Does it stop there? It stops there, right? Okay. Wait, what is this return? Oh, that, okay. Wait. Wait. Dude, why am I doing this? Okay. Okay, there's a variable called g's, which is all the g1s as a vector. Just write the code that tells me if it's all good, if the z is always mutually exclusive. I don't know why I'm being so like slow right now. All right, that's it. In g's. Oh, really? Wait. So I got the error. Tell me what line it happened on, or like what string it was, so I can search it in the actual gcode file. Oh my god, bro. Oh, wait. Oh, G1s is what we want. Oh, really? Where is that? This is, we're reading this one right now. Oh, you know what? It is, but actually, now that I'm thinking about it, we don't really need... We need to store Z's state, but we don't need to differentiate by layers, because the sweep path doesn't, I mean, to handle this case, the sweep path doesn't really care about where it's going. It can move in whatever direction it wants. And so can the printer. So instead, the procedure is keep a running, remember the pos. It's just, what is it? Okay, can we look at the other z's? Because I'm pretty sure in the other z, oh, actually, no. Wait, what's an instance? I'm sure that there's a, what's a big code? It's like a benchy or something. Well, whatever. We don't really need to do it. So, but see, oh, wait, actually, no. See, in this case, there's no extrusion. So it moved a little bit. It moved up by less than point. Oh, wait, no. This is, it moved over a little bit. And it switched layers. That's probably it, like rounding a corner. You know what? Actually, can we, I'm pretty sure, excuse me. I'm pretty sure you can, like, see it? I forget how. Oh, wait, so what we want to do actually is prepare, add, rust, print sim, tests. We're doing square right now. Because I don't think that you can load a G-code into it. But so, can't you like visualize the path or something like that? I feel like I've seen that. Is there, let's just ask. Is there a way to visualize the Bamboo Studio slicer and like how the actual toolpath is moving? Wait, oh, do you just do this? But this isn't exactly, this doesn't really tell me, well, maybe, well. Oh, wait, does it? Seams is probably the start and end. So it either moves, it probably moves like, and then it shifts over. Because were we looking at the beginning? I don't know, we're kind of far in. It's sort of hard to tell. Okay, so that assumption is wrong. But all we need to do is keep track of when basically E is the flag. So you keep track of the position, and so like if E starts, so if E in S, then, or capital E, then push the XY. And so wait, so, okay, but in this case, what's happening is this path is from X n minus 1, Y, X, Y, Z. Yeah, there probably is a case where it's extruding. Oh, it's those. Wait. So this case it's not extruding. It is just moving in 3 directions. But what I want to know is, well, I'm just curious if E ever happens with X, Y, or Z. Write the code to answer the question, does the printer ever extrude while it's moving in Z? Okay, but I kind of want a big program because I feel like... Oh, really? Wait. Have it, like the other one, print out the line that's offending. Okay. I mean, I really could not give a crap about this code because we are... Is it G's or is it G1s? This is G1s. So, yeah, so that's fine, right? It's the... Yeah. Damn, dude, when it's hot out, I can pound LaCroix. It's just so hot out. I love it, though. I love it. Dude, I'm walking around like a freaking lizard. It's insane. Okay, so... Great, so if... Okay, if E is in S... Okay, you start up, you go to like a Z, and you're storing that state. Then when you start extruding, when's the first E? Okay, it retracts. All right, here it's... So... Oh, wait, actually, can we do this in the... Is this the square? Oh. E, F. We could just also do feed rate. I don't really care about that. Presumably, we could use that to, like, I don't know, start to do more flow rate calculations. But, like, how much material is actually being added. But that complicates the sweep by a lot because you would have to do a you'd have to do like a sweepy loft where you kind of have like some sort of curve that describes how much it's going like this, going in and out. Okay, yeah, so if E is in there and it's the first, okay, if the last command is not E, make a new path. Otherwise, yeah, append this coordinate to the last path. But you have to store both, right? Because let's say you're the new guy, make new path by storing tuple of, wait, yeah, before and after chords. Append this chord pair slash path. Okay, we'll call that a path segment. Or what you could do, if you didn't want to store a tuple for a path segment, you would just store, if E is in here, you could, if E, then you could append pos n minus 1, and then append pos. And then you don't have to store tuples. This is the no tuple one. And so then you would just do this pos or n. Okay. Okay, so you just have p's equals empty list. Then you go in and you see, and you have pos cur equals 0, 0, 0. Then it gets set, and so parse gcode if xy. Well, first, if it's E, yeah, the first thing you can always do is just try to update position. And keep track of the last position and the current position. And then date your position. Then if wait, how do you know if you're in a path already? You just know by the last one. So if last E, so if the last command was also an extrusion, then you, and then you do cur path. Okay. So now how do you know the break? If there's an E, is it ever doing an E where it's not doing X and Y? Did I already check that? I forget. Do 3D printers ever... I think it's literally the first one. So that's a case of it extruding, but it doesn't move. So in that case, the last path is 0 and the current path is 0. But there is a path. So the first one is going to be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and then okay. So that's the first path. Then the second path, okay, then it does a G1. I'm trying to figure out if this path, I think it's going to be considered part of that one, because that shouldn't break the continuous stream of, because that just sets how fast it's moving. So that means that, so is all we're trying to use to determine whether or not it, like here, this is where it would break, is you move up to there, then you pull it back, and then you go to somewhere. So here, yeah, so here you have to do if E is actually greater than 0, that's sort of what you need. You know, is if E and E greater than 0, eval or something. So, so yeah, so this one is just moving, and then it does a little bit of its own, which is kind of weird, but it shouldn't matter. So, okay, so you need to remember if the last G code that moved it, need to know if the last G1 that moved had extrusion greater than 0. So this one, it pulled it back. Oh wait, no, but now that's actually interesting, because in this case, actually, no material is getting extruded, right? Because what is going on? Is that enough context? Yeah, man. Okay, so this is actually deeper than I thought, because it pulled it back, then it moved, then it put it back to its thing. Oh, that's okay. So you actually do need to keep so you need to remember to log the E position, But whenever greater than 0, keep it at 0. So you just do a max of E is 0, and then you know if it's negative, so that's fine because max or a min. You do a min, sorry. And so that flattens it all out because you're assuming that if you're going, okay. So if we did like an E minus 10 and then E1, 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 we should still not have that case. So in this case, the path breaks. The path breaks in this scenario. And what does that mean? So that means that here, if E is less than 0, we just switch, we append. So yeah, if E is less than 0, append the current path to all paths, and then say current path equals okay, so how do we put this in English? We want to read a gcode file and split it into paths. Paths where material is being extruded. I wonder if you give it just that. Write a code in Julia. Wait, actually. Write code to read in a gcode file. Filter out all of the or keep only the ones that start with G1 commands. Then split the G1s into paths where material is being extruded. And so you're storing the positions in the paths of the tool head. It doesn't have the F, so I'm wondering if... I feel like maybe that's fine. But is there ever one where E is missing? There is, right? There are XYs where it's just... Yeah, like this. The first one. So I'm wondering if that regex is right, but let's just test it out. Split path stop. And this is going to be called data square ring square slice. What is it called? Sliced plate 1. Okay. So I think I need to do like, it's like this. How do you start this thing? Run cell. Oh, it's not data, it's tests. Okay, wait, can I just... Is that right, dude? Wait, also, why isn't it storing the full position? If it starts with G1, so what does this give you? Okay, so G data. And we're extruding. Yeah. Okay. But it's kind of annoying because you still have to do reconstruction. So I'll ask it to rewrite. Just always do like a left merge or however you do it to just always give everything, except with the option of E, right? No, so the output should only... Oh. If extrusion ends becomes 0 or missing. So this doesn't do anything to assume that when it's negative. So okay, so let's find instances of the extrusion end. I think that this was one, right? So okay, so I think okay. This is almost right, except it doesn't actually. You need to keep track of, even though E is relative, oftentimes what it'll do when it's changing a position without extruding, it'll pull the extruder back by like 0.8 and then pull it forward. So you need to, when you're keeping track of the extruder, you need to do a min 0 of an X. So and then so then when you're checking the criteria for whether or not to make a new path, you need to also not just check that it's equal to 0, but that it's or missing, but less than 0. Okay, it might give me a dumbass thing. That didn't change at all. Yeah, so it's 0 and then you take the min. Yeah, I feel like that's good. Okay, now we just need it. Oh wait. Oh, I don't care. Just run it. Oh, but you do need to do the thing. Okay. Wait, did it do it? What? Test square ring sliced plate 1.gcode. Why is this now not doing anything? Okay. Keep the like code block demarcations in, but also separate out the reading of the file with the processing so that I can print it out, because right now this returned no paths and I don't know why. Dude, should I get another bro 3 in one day? My OD on LaCroix. Oops. Okay. Isn't it shift enter? There we go. Why isn't it printing anything though? What is going on? I feel like this thing is like... Dude, why is it so bad to... I don't understand it. What if I just did this? Is that's the F ones? Let's see, does the F matter? Where are my G's? Where my G's at? Where my G's at? Okay. So I don't think these F's actually mean anything. So we're good with that. That's so weird though. Where's this one? Wait, 108 point. Oh. Oh, what? Wait, what? No way. That literally is... That's insane. What the hell? Wait, am I tripping? Okay, all right, fixes the thing. I don't like the regex, bro. That's fine. But, okay, that's fine. Dude, is it doing anything? Okay, wait. That might be good, dude. We might be good enough to do that. XY, why doesn't it do Z? That's just because Z's not there, so you need to keep track of Z. Okay, so now what do you have to do? You have to take the paths. Okay, so I would prefer if the output, instead of just storing like the new data or whatever, or maybe you could do something that adds on to the extrusion paths. But I want to know for the position, the absolute position, meaning it has the whole tuple of x, y, z, e for every, or just x, y, z for all the points in the path. Because right now there's many cases where you have x and you have y, but you don't have z. So I just want to fill it in so that I can use them as actual coordinates. And it could keep, I said tuple, but you know, I hope it knows that I just want it. So that should be, that is exactly the same. Hopefully this works. So we should do a little test. We should, okay, so parse line, parse line, parse line, parse line. Extrusion path. The first path, so can we go to this? Where's the 106? Here. So wait, what the heck? What? Dude, please tell me that's not parsing. Okay. Dang, dude. Why does code always take so much longer than I... It's like so simple, man. Let's just give it an example, dude. Okay, so at this point... Okay, but then this... Wait, we should go to, what is it? G's. Wait, is this right? I think this is the old one. So it's this. Oops. So it should still update its position, right? First line part. Wait, where's the most recent one? Maybe the first thing to do is just convert it into absolute positions fully, and then you keep the E along with it. So yeah, so you... Alright, so you get a list of dict. All pos with E being a min EI 0. Wait, do you want that? Dude, why is this code being so much harder than it is to, like, this should be easy, man. Okay, let's just step through. Okay, so this is all of it. So now we just need to okay, this is the square one. So okay, so we're just gonna act like the computer. So we start out, we think we're at 0, 0, 0, E is 0, F is 0. Okay, we see the first one. This is going to be G1, Z5, F5000. So this becomes 5,000. And Z becomes 5. And then all the rest are still at 0. Okay, and then, so what should we do here is, because oh wait, and so wait, we need to assume that E is 0 here. But because EI minus 1 is equal to 0, or what is it? It's because EI minus 1 plus E of I is less than or equal to 0. We don't add to a path. Okay, so what is our state? We have this, then we have current path. We have all paths, empty list. Then we have current path, which could be unset. It could be nothing. But whatever. We could just assume there's going to be at least one path, so it's fine. And you just don't add the last one or something like that. Okay? So, because E of I minus 1 plus E of I, don't add a path, is less than 0. So this is, when I say E, okay, so we're the first line. We assume E is 0, so, and E is still 0. So we don't need to add to a path. So we just keep going. Okay, fine. Now we get to a don't add a path and don't add a path. Save position, however. Save the position. So this is sort of the Okay, now we get a z e minus 0.8 and an f 1800. Okay, so e I minus 1 plus ei is equal to minus 0.8, which is less than or equal to 0. So we don't add to cur path. Okay. All right. So and then we continue. So now it becomes minus. So now it becomes 0, 0, 5 minus 0.8, 1800. Okay. Now we have the G1 X92 Y92 F7000. Okay, so now so the E condition is still met, so don't do anything with the path. So now, but we do update our position, so now it becomes 92, 92, 5, minus 0.8, 7000. Okay, then the Z.4, Z2 are the same thing. So then now we just at 92, 92.2 minus 0.8, 7,000. Great. Okay, now we get to a more interesting one. Now we get G1 E.8 F 1800. So here, right, yeah. So this condition of doing the sum is actually the right way to do it. But then when you set the position, you still want the min. Okay, so we see here this ei minus 1 plus e of I is equal to 0. And so less than equal to 0 is true. So that means we don't do anything with the path. We're not extruding. But when we set when we set when we set E, I don't know how we're gonna do this. It's min of 0 EI plus EI minus 1 plus EI. So now we get 0. But then here's the special part is all right, and then we continue. That's it. So 1800 92 92.2. Okay. I know this is just so boring, but it's necessary. All right, I'm gonna flip over the format. So okay, G1. Okay, we can skip the F. Okay, so we get X93 Y91 E.5. 0.04. Okay, so here is the, okay, so now EI minus 1 plus E of I is greater than 0. So what we need to do now is check is empty cur path. If is empty cur path, append to cur path the list of the last position it was in and the current position. So last pos equals 92, 92. What was it? Z was like, was Z 0? Z is 0.2. Then 0, then like 1800. So wait, first we need to set current position. And last position gets sent at the end of this. Past pos, current pos. Okay. So now we have current path is something. So So there you go. I guess what we need to know when we end a path, if E is not in, we could just say, yeah, if E not in S, or whatever we're calling it, then cur path equals the empty list. And if or is it that simple? Oh yeah, so if no, yes, yeah, so it's the else condition here. If EI minus 1 minus E of I is, or plus E of I is less than, so this is else, if is less than or equal to 0, then we need to end the path. So then we say push PS cur path. Then we set cur path to the empty list. Okay, so that seems good. Okay, so where were we? So this is just some extra stuff. So we did this. But so oh. Oh wait. Um wait. When do we do the Okay, so yeah, so in there, then we can also set EI to 0. So then that means that at the end of this thing, we're at 93, 91.20. Okay, so what's the next one? So at this point, let's just write down what we have. We have all PS is still the empty list. We have cur path is equal to the past position, which is 92, tuple of 92, 92.2, comma, 93, 91, 0.2, and then for the paths themselves, you don't need to store. So then we have EI minus 1 is equal to 0. And then we don't have EI yet. So that's before we start the parsing. Okay, is that all the state that we need? Well, let's just run the program. Okay, so this is the state at, so we did this line, now we're doing this line. Okay, so we have a G1, X94, Y91.5, E.02. Great, so that means that first we're going to And the current pos is 9391.2. So at the beginning of the function, the current and the last position are the same. But so now the first thing we do is we set cur pos to be 94, 91.5. Oh, and z, we need to make sure get z is 0.2 still. 0.2. Okay, then we check that. So then we I guess the first thing is parse the x, y, z, e, f dict, and I guess some can be missing. Some keys can be missing, right? So what is it that we did when E was not even present? Well, the same condition works. So what we're saying is that, oh yeah, so we just referred to last pos. So last pos is going to be 0. Its current pos is also going to be 0. So we're going to set the current position to be, 94, 91, 0.2, and then 0.02, 0.02. This is E here. And okay, so now that we have the current position, check that last pos 4 plus cur pos 4 is greater than 0. If it is, if cur path is empty, then we're going to append the current path. So this is the case where it breaks. No, this is the case where we're starting a new path. So this is the new path. Right, in this case, this fails. So, or this is true, this is false. So then else, we just want to set cur pos 4 equal to the min of 0. In this case, we can just set it to 0. So we just equal to 0, then push cur path, cur pos. Great. So what's the next thing that we need to do? So what have we done at this point? We've added to the current path, and we've set the position. Now all we have to do is last pos equals current pos. Is that really it? So then we go through here and we have this big long path all the way down to here. Okay, so now let's assume, so what's our state here? Our state is we have current path is something. It's like long. EI minus 1 is 0. Or, well, we don't even need this. This is stored in... Oh, no, we do need the min. Wait, no. Wait, so elsewhere we need to... Okay, we need to zero E, or we need to do the min thing after the okay. We're almost ready to write this code. It's getting close. It's taking a while, but it's getting close. Okay, what was that command? So now we get it G1 E minus 0.8. But what you do is you keep E positive. Then you do the check. Then you do this check. Then you set it to 0. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm ready. Oh yeah. Let's go. Alright, this is the code, bro. This is the real code. This is what's going on. Okay, so function does it. Okay, what does it take? G's. Now we don't want to do it like this. All right, so we got G's, right? What do I call it? GA. G's equals GA. This is all we need. Okay. Let's see. Before anything else, start pos equals, what is this gonna be? It's gonna be 0, or let's do it as a list. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. Okay. Then, last pos equals, okay. What else do we need? All PS. We'll just say cur path equals S. And so now we're sort of set up. Now we take G is equal to GS1. This is our first command. Now, oh wait, Julia code that finds the first semicolon and then it takes a string, it finds the first semicolon and it drops everything after that and returns the first part. Okay, great. Okay, great. And then what we need is, great. So now, what we want to do is, well, we could just do it in here. What is that about? Okay. Is that gonna work? Oh, it doesn't do it like I wanted. Do you have A? Okay, great. Dude, I gotta get Copilot. This is driving me insane that I can't. Okay, well, whatever. Let's just do this. Okay, X, Y. Is it? Oh, is it like this? Okay, this is going to be 2, 3, 4, 5. There should be no other ones, right? If we go to the, and we look at a G1, SU. I don't think we have anything. I don't think. Actually, really, you never really see 5-axis 3D printers. Okay. All right, I'm not going to use ChatGPT. I'm just going to keep going because this should work. So, function update curve pos takes an A. Oh wait, it takes an A's and it does this. It takes an A's, cur pos, and A's, and it returns cur pos. And, okay, great. We have A's. We have cur pos. Oh, we don't? Wait, start pos. Cur pos. Okay. What? 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 Is it just the other way around? Oh. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. I probably could have done that faster. Oh, shit. Okay. Perfect. Okay. What's the next step? Now that we have set the current position, we want to, if last pos 4 oh we need to do this before we modify the path. Okay. Oh wait, we could probably do this here. Okay. I think that's all of that. Then no matter what, we're going to do cur pos 4 is equal to min 0 cur min e. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then all we have to do is last pos equals cur pos. But wait, where do we... Okay, so now we don't have any of the logic of... Okay, so if... So now we need the else part of this. If there's no... So... Hopefully that'll modify it, right? I feel like it should. Otherwise, you just don't do anything, right? So it's less than or equal to 0. Okay, so... So this is going to be... Or wait, does 1... Wait, do I want to do that? Does it... so you set this up, then you do 4G and G's. You tab this in, then you do end, and then you return all PS. Where am I calling int? Oh. What? Wait, see, that's wrong. Wait. We need to set... Right. So if it's... So this is the case where it's less than or equal to 0. So this is cur e I minus 1 plus e of I is less than or equal to 0. So basically, new path, right? Or wait, sorry. Well, wait. Okay, wait. We need to run through it. Okay, so in this case, yeah, we didn't do this one. So, where are we? We are GSQ. We are right here. So, we retract it. We set our position. Oh, and then okay, wait. No. We need to. So this is the only one where we is relative. So last positive 4. Or wait. Yeah, this is right. So we don't actually need to do this. So this could. This is either 0. Yeah, this is less than or equal to 0. Curve pause. I don't think this is right still. First off, it's not updating X really. Oh wait, we need to do this. Right. Okay, so let's get, so we can close this. Okay. 5 minus 0.8. Oh, wait. Wait, what's going on here? What the heck? Okay, that's goofy as heck. So, how is that happening? So, Kerpos is now basically what E. Oh. But otherwise it just keeps it as the last one. Which is good for that, except if it doesn't find an E, wait. If it doesn't find an E, then we need to set that to 0. Update this so if it doesn't find an E, then it sets it to 0. Okay. So can we, wait, can we do this? Okay. .92, 0.4.2. No, see, this is wrong. Because it needs to be minus 0.8 here. With the last pass, so here, the last pass, or the last E, so this fails, so it goes into here, and it says the current position is equal to, oh wait, can we disable this for now? Oops. They're always the same. Just in case. I think it does mutate it, but So at this point, let's do the info of that. Okay, I'm getting lost in the soup, bro. Not the sauce, the soup. Okay, so last pass is 0. Is it like a weird? I don't know. Is that it? There's no way that's it. I'm doing something hella dumb. Oh, wait. Okay, I still think that that's a bug, right? Because so you set it to 5,000. You set E. So it was a weird copy thing. That's so crazy. Okay. Um, so line 3 here should not go to 0. So where is it being set to 0? In this instance, we take this thing. Okay, so in this, wait. We've just updated. Why did we update that to 0? Because we didn't find it? Yeah, this is not right. The current E, this is the current E relative. Okay, this is the current E relative. So right here, E is relative still. I think that this is right. Right. See, okay, see when it does this? So what we want to do is cut this and put it here. And then we get the actual correct transitions. So everything is all good now. So you see here, minus 0.8, minus 0.8, 0. Okay, so let's see. What do the paths look like? Wait, hold on. Wait, 92. What the heck, dude? What is going on here? All right, this is all of the transitions, right? So I think I can just do this. But why is this so weird? Okay, so these are like the transitions. Okay, it goes to 0. Oh, okay, we are here. Then we retract it. Then we go to X and Y. Then we go to Z. Then we go to Z. Then we push it back to the front. Okay, then these are identical, right? Or wait, these are identical? This is the feed. Or I equals 1. Info. Okay, so where were we? We were right. So this is 6. Okay, then 7. These are the same, right? Except for, yeah, the feed rate. Great. Now this is the first one. So here, okay, and then, oh, well, let's do this. I forget how to do just normal debugging. I don't think I like this one. All right, let's try it. Does it work? Whatever. Right. Where do we get that? It's okay, so what does it do? So it appends these, and then it goes to here. Yep. Okay, can we just do this? Is that true? Why does it skip so much? That's so weird. Is it that one? Yeah, wait. I'm just gonna start over. I feel like we're getting close. I really want to finish this before I have to go to class, and I have to make food, bro. Okay, so let's just scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up, scroll up. Wait, what? Oh, what the hell? Okay, so it has to be this branch. And at this point, Kerpos right. If E was not found, then it should stay the same. I'm pretty sure that's good. Oh wait, we need to do this. Hello? Hello? Dude, what? Okay, wait, can we just go back to the top? Okay. Adding to existing path. So we have the, wait. Curve path. Oh, it's, this is curve path. Wait, what? Why doesn't it? Don't I have to, can't I do an outer? But then I don't understand why the 10. Yeah, so this is wrong. But why though, bro? What the hell is going on here? Adding to existing path. Ugh, dude, what is going on, bro? want to try to. I want to try to How do you stop the debugger? But dude, that's oh. Wait. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. Let's just run it all. This is still wrong. LastPass will always be LastPass will always be less than or equal to 0. If E was found, ugh, God, what the fuck? Why? I don't even know how that happens. Okay, so let's just run one at a time. What is the problem? Okay, so the behavior is correct up until here. And even this is correct. So then we leave this. We run this. Okay, then we set last pos equal to this. So now last pos is 93 whatever, or here. We split, then we update cur with, what command are we running? We were running this one, right? That's where things get wrong? Yes. Okay, now we're on 9. So we're trying to run G1 X94 Y91 E.02. Okay. So and what is last pos at this point? It's 93 91.20 1600. Okay. So we update the current position. So now cur pos. So what cur pos should be the same there. So now we update it. So now cur pos is 9491. And then E is in here, so E will be 0.2. This is 0.2 and this is 0.02 for the extrusion, then whatever. Okay, so now, and E found true. All right, so we're jumping into this branch, and this is true. We set the current position to 0. Is the current path empty? What is cur path at this point? Wait, what? Oh, wait, can we just do... Okay, let's just... I want to copy this log. MD, I don't know what I'm doing in my life. Okay, but so now I want to rerun the whole thing. Where are we? We're right here. No, so it doesn't change it at all. Where does it end? Where did I... The end of 8. This is where things go wrong. Yeah, so let's just go. Wait, the end of 8? Oh, wait, we want. Oops. Should I try it? That's what I'm saying, bro. What the hell is going on? What? That's so weird. Okay. I don't want to give it the whole thing. Dude, I think it's a scoping issue. But it's so unsatisfying that I feel like I can't get the right behavior. What did it change? I want to see. Wait, what? Oh, nice. Dude, this might be close enough for me. I really want to get to the sweeping part of this. Because we need to design the profile, and that's probably going to take a bit. Oh my fucking god, bro. I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay. Fuck it, let's just do it. Let's just say that this is right. Okay. 92.017. Then what's PS3? It says 105. Okay, so that's fine. I mean, I don't really care if... What we can do is we can just drop those. Wait, but now... Oh. I think it's the feed rates. Can we just drop all the lines that... I'm just curious. Okay. Wait, can we No, why is that? Why isn't this adding to the current path? See, that's not... God damn, bro. Okay, what I think we should do is switch gears. We're going to take PS2. And we are just going to sweep. Okay. It didn't get it, but that's fine. I have this list of coordinates. Now, I want to use these coordinates as a profile for a sweep in FreeCAD, and using Python in FreeCAD. I'm like so down to just do this because... Okay, so does it tell me how to... New macro... This is the Python, so I can just print this in here, right? Wait, actually... that should be fine. Let's just try it. How can I see it? Something didn't happen right. Wait, let's just wire. Print wire. Oh my god. Ugh. Yes, so that's correct. Is there a length? Close should be false. Okay. Curve edges, length. Okay. So, um, okay, now sweep a centered rectangle like that has dimensions where the total height of the rectangle that is going to be used to sweep, that profile is 0.2 millimeters. Oh, actually, no. We don't want it to be a centered rectangle. We want the bottom of the rectangle to be at y equals 0. No, sorry, the top of the rectangle is y equals 0. And but then you want to sweep across the center of the top along the path, the wire, and the width of the um, sweep profile is going to be 0.4 millimeters. I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm so bad at writing the code, bro. I feel like this might be right though. Make line. Can we? Wire edges. I feel like this is the part that's not working. Does this error? Wait, so what? Is there a get object? That's just the name of it, right? What is the actual data type of it? It's just... Wait. How do I get... Wait, what is this? Oh, wait, does that add selection a name to sweep path? Well, that's cool. Wait, what was it? Come on. Subname point? Yeah, how do you make a... Okay, wait, let's relax. So, how does this work? How do we pan, bro? What is the... Oh, you hold Alt. You hold Shift. Oh, that's a crazy system, bro. No, I want middle mouse button to do this. I don't like this. This is too much for me. It's actually really cool, but you got to get good at it. Okay, so what we want to do is... Okay, wait. Okay. We got to remember how FreeCAD works. Okay. X, Z plane. Wait, what? So, okay, so this is locked in like that. So this and this, do we see our selection? Our midpoint. Where's midpoint? Wait, these are our constraints. Wait, how do I get a dimension? What? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we want to make this 0.4 millimeters. and this we want to make 0.2 millimeters. Then, oh, wait, what did I do? Then the distance. Wait, how do I do a? Oh my God, this thing is so bad. You're not allowed to. Oh, you can. Okay, so this is going to be 0.2. Holy fuck. Please work. Fantastic. Obviously, that didn't work. Wait, which one is that one? There's this 0.2 and there's this 0.2. FreeCAD is pretty sick. Okay, wait, what if I try this now? I select this line, I select this point, and I say D. Oh, bro, I gotta go to class. Okay, fuck. Damn, dude. Everything takes longer than you expect it to. Okay, wait, so now we want to finish this sketch. Okay. Wait, what do I want to do exactly? Okay, just show me with the GUI how to basically make a series of points in space, and then use a small rectangular profile to sweep along that, where it creates material along the sweep. Switch to the part workbench. So first off, control new. Okay. Go to the part workbench. Okay. Part. Create primitives. Select point. Create as many points. Okay, fine. 0, 0, 0. Location. Okay, I think that we just want to do this. Okay, so now how do I see? Okay. How do I see all of the points? Okay. Part, make a wire. Part. Make face from wires. Right? It's not in there, right? Fuck. Okay. Oh, God, I really can't believe it took me this long, dude. Well, alright, well, tomorrow then. I got something cool tomorrow, but I can't do it on stream.